Welcome to Destined Beyond Belief, a gentle space where your body, mind, and spirit are invited to rest and renew. Tonight's affirmations are created to support deep sleep and cellular renewal, guiding your body into a state of calm repair and restorative healing. Find a comfortable place, close your eyes if it feels right, and take a slow, nourishing breath. Allow yourself to surrender to peace as you listen and repeat each affirmation, either aloud or within your heart. I am restoring my cells with each breath. I am deeply healing during restful sleep. I am renewing my body every night. I am calming my nervous system as I sleep. I am allowing cellular regeneration now. I am flooded with soothing, restorative energy. I am releasing tension and inviting repair. I am supported in my body's natural healing. I am balancing my immune system. I am nourishing my cells with peace. I am aligned with perfect health. I am embracing deep, restorative sleep. I am repairing damaged tissues effortlessly. I am revitalizing my mind and body. I am clearing energetic blockages now. I am breathing healing into every cell. I am increasing my body's vitality each night. I am connected to the wisdom of my cells. I am grateful for my body's renewal. I am letting go and allowing full recovery. I am harmonizing body, mind, and spirit. I am experiencing gentle, profound restoration. I am restoring youthful strength and resilience. I am bathing my cells in loving light. I am growing stronger and healthier every day. I am calming my thoughts for deeper repair. I am creating a peaceful environment for healing. I am tuned into the healing power of sleep. I am waking renewed and revitalized. I am clearing cellular memory of stress. I am inviting deep rest that heals my whole being. I am reclaiming balance in every system. I am allowing restorative energy to flow freely. I am anchored in the present as healing occurs. I am supported by the intelligence of my body. I am releasing old patterns as I rest. I am regenerating with ease and grace. I am embracing the restorative rhythm of sleep. I am aligned with perfect cellular function. I am letting healing light renew my tissues. I am restoring harmony to my brain and nervous system. I am releasing inflammation and inviting ease. I am gently repairing and strengthening my organs. I am filled with vibrant, renewing energy. I am whole, healed, and at peace. I am trusting my body's innate ability to restore. I am surrounded by calming, healing energy. I am supported as my cells renew tonight. I am awakening with a clear, renewed mind. I am grateful for deep sleep that heals me. Take one final slow breath in, and as you exhale, feel the deep restoration settling into your body and mind. Thank you for joining us and spending this peaceful time to heal. If these affirmations supported you, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with someone who could use gentle renewal, and leave a comment with your favorite affirmation below. Thank you for joining us. May your sleep be deep, restorative, and filled with healing light.